So we were working on the sail, repairing it, and this has just started. Yeah.
I had a dream once, I kept it close.
Full of water. This is all the rain last few days.
It seems so important to have it all then.
Super. It's like a little swimming pool.
I used to believe that I needed to be someone to actually be someone. Everyone else seemed to get it right.
This monsoon has been really tough on us. A couple of trips back home for some family commitments, rough weather, and boat defects have kept us on our toes. But finally, we are back at our favorite marina in Thailand, and it's time to get the boat ready for our new crew.
So the pin that we'd broken has been repaired and it's brought back. So we have people from highway engineering who are going to fix it. I tried to fix it, but it was more than a one-man job. So yeah.
That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, I am rich. Isn't it funny, though? Looking back, all I see is signs. I'll never need it, what they expect.
So we had almost finished our work on the Genoa pin that we were fixing, and suddenly this has started. Yeah, so we'll have to wait for the rain to go away.
There's Gaurav trying to get something out of the fridge. Out of the freezer! You have a deep set in freezer, so you have to literally go onto your toes to bring it out. Yes! Sausages found.
So I'm cooking today.
Okay.
We'll show you what the magic is all about. Yeah. We'll show you what the magic is all about.
Fingers crossed. And wish me luck! Cooking has started. What are you making?
I don't know the name of the dish, but you'll see.
At least explain what you're doing now.
So yeah, these are tortilla wraps which we rolled, and now I am like just cutting them into this kind of strips. They will be put in a bowl along with the egg, and then why don't we just show you?
Bad luck, bad day, what should I do? Bad luck, bad day, what should I do? Bad luck, bad day, what should I do?
Fire alarm! Fire alarm!
Not fire alarm, it's perfect.
Jal gaya, fire alarm!
Just have a look. Perfecto! Hang on, let me show you the.
Ooh, no, cannot burn. Pan is burned.
Perfect.
Very nice.
Now what you do is you take the knife and you cut it into slices. Nice.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Finally, we are emptying our swimming pool out. The water is completely green inside the dinghy, yeah?
It's been there for the last 3 days.
More.
More than 4 days, 5 days. We decided not to empty our dinghy because we wanted a swimming pool. So yeah, I've been chilling in this pool and now that it started getting dirty.
Thank God for this pump. We couldn't have done it ourselves.
There is quite some water
Especially
around
without the
yeah.
OBM behind. How many liters do you think?
150 200 liters.
That's a lot of water. Fresh water. Just the color difference. Cleaning day on Reeva. So we are defrosting our fridge and freezer today. And just look at the mess that gets created in this little area. Okay, so this is our fridge on the top shelf, and a lot of ice has accumulated, so we're defrosting that. 2 units, and there's the freezer which is down below, which also has accumulated a lot of ice. Boy, okay, keep that open. And we have a little bit of unit here where we keep our fresh veggies and all. So that's the job for the day. It's quite a task because I can never reach the freezer inside because of my height. So most of the time I'm either dangling or I'm expecting Gaurav to come and help me, and he's always doing something else. So let's hope this gets done today and my little bit of frozen that is left doesn't get spoiled. Cleaning process is still going on. Our ice is still not melted. So yeah, we're at it. Take the whole day today, looks like. Reeva's looking nice and clean. Hello.
Hey, I've come back.
You've come back.
Yeah, I found people.
Welcome. Hello. And board Reeva. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Sandy.
Hello.
Hello, Dhiren.
Hello.
Hi, Ashwin. My God. I hope you can fit on the boat. You're so tall now. Just.
So now somebody was missing something hell of a lot and asked for it. And of course, when you ask, it's always delivered.
Is it clear? In one little.
Could be something close to that.
Oh no, don't do this now. Don't do this now.
What's it?
It's Wada Pav. I wanted to eat Wada Pav.
Somebody wanted Wada Pav.
Thank you.
And it's come all the way.
Survived.
And this is survived too.
Oh my God, they didn't
This-
stop you in the airport.
This is
Chilies. Oh, chutney.
and that.
Excellent.
Thank you. आगे पूजा हो जाता नहीं wait thank you yeah चलो I hope from my side
She's freshly sent it to you.
Ready for a bite?
No, all yours. Come on. I'll have one, but no, don't worry. We get them, don't worry. We get them, don't worry.
enjoy
You have to enjoy. See, I'm taking.
Everyone else seems to get it right. But now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, thick strands, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, I am rich. Isn't it funny, though? Looking back, all I see is signs.